Doing the life of a bus driver. Super tired edition. So, we worked the late last night, finished at 11 o'clock, and we're back in for 9:02. It's currently 8:13. So, we've got to get to the depot. We're on Shawleys. We've got a mixture of everything today. Super tired. Coffee packed in the bag. Should be alright, but we'll see how we get on. Bring you along for the day with us. Alright, so 9 or 10 duty. Out of Chorley. Parked up, ready to go. God, it's cold. Let's rock and roll, guys. Yeah, so big issue we have at Blackburn versus Rosso is we don't have travel time. We don't have travel time when we do this. So we have to come in early and park cars and move them around and stuff. So my shift starts at 9:03. I technically finished at 11 o'clock last night. It was 10 to 11. By the time you've got your car defrosted, travelled. By the time you got your car defrosted, ready, I think it was like 11 o'clock by the time I left. And then, yeah, so I got in probably for like 11:30, had something to eat, and then obviously up at 6, 7 o'clock this morning, I think it was 6, 7, hey, sorry, camera like that, and yeah, we just don't get travel time, so we have to come in early, so it's 8:35, catching service down, my hair needs a cut, so the next service down to Blackburn is coming in a second. So yeah, we have to park up, catch a public bus, which I know you guys all do, and then get to town. The problem is, I live in a really awkward spot on the outskirts of, well, coming into Blackburn. And it's like I go past 4 schools. So if I don't set off in the right time, what should take me 30 minutes takes me nearly an hour. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's travel down this morning. Let's have a look. Today's running board. So we're a driver on the 51 board. Let's get our kit in. Let's get ready to go. So we're in Chorley, stand D. Not a bad run actually. Nice and easy. Back to do a 2A now. Shouldn't be too long. So another one done. Now got a 2A. Back to Blackburn again. Got to Blackburn, perfect on time. No trouble with any buses so far. Though this one does keep switching itself off, which it has just done now. Great. Alright, so just had a dinner. Not bad so far. Going out now on a 7 or a 6. Can't remember, 6A I think. Should be easy enough. It's not been too bad. Should be fun. So we got another street light on the 7. We are 4076 board. We just need to get ourselves all set up, ticket machine logged in, and get on the road. Hopefully, won't be too bad. So we're done for tonight. We finished on board 4070. We made £87.30, was it? Yeah, £87.30. Oh, I am so sorry if I've been narky to anyone today. I have not. I've been knackered. I have definitely not been in the mood for this. I'm shattered. I'm glad to be going home. I'm glad to be having a rest. And obviously do it all again tomorrow. But that's a bit of a day of the life of a bus driver. So I had a street light in the end, which is one of them over there. There's the shunter parking it up. All the lads do some good work, but yeah, absolutely shattered. But yeah, let's go and find some lost property in now, and yeah, go home, see the wife and child,